Hi, my name is Andy Losick and I'm an elementary STEM teacher here in Hamilton, Michigan. My fourth graders just completed Blue Apple's What's in Your Water project. And let me tell you, this thing was amazingly engaging. I love that they didn't just learn about science, they got to be scientists. Let's take the building of a watershed project. Kids were working hands-on, they were developing a model. They went through the engineering process. They were able to simulate runoff and the ways that erosion happens. I want my students to come and not just learn about science, but do science. And all of the activities that they participated in with this were truly authentic in that sense. Another really neat thing that this project did for our kids was allow them to think beyond themselves.
I hope they learn that not everyone has water and we should be thankful for all we have.
Yeah, we have water, we need to use it, not waste it.
So the 4 C's are at the core of these projects, and just the knowledge they developed is great, but being able to truly work on those communication and collaboration skills is essential.